Hello coders and welcome to another How to Code Well JavaScript tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at the isArray function call in JavaScript. Now this checks whether or not the given value is an array or not. So let's get into the code. So we're going to be working on the 3_is_array JavaScript file that is available in the show notes below. Okay, so we need to create some values and then check whether or not they are arrays. So let's create some variables. The first one is going to be products, and this is going to be a JavaScript object. The next one is going to be an actual array of items. So we're going to equal that to the square brackets. The third one is going to be a name, and we're going to equal that to a string. So this is going to be Peter. And the fourth and final one is going to be an integer. So we're going to type cost. We're going to equal that to 250. So in order to check whether or not these variables are assigned to arrays, we would use the array.isArray function. So let's type array.isArray and pass in products. We obviously need to output this, so I'm going to wrap this around a console.debug, like so. We'll copy that for now, and we'll do the same underneath items. We'll paste items variable, like so, into the isArray argument. Next, we'll do the same thing, but this time for name. And lastly, we'll do the same for cost. Okay, so what we're doing is we're assigning these variables to different types of values, so objects, arrays, strings, and integers. And then underneath each one, we're outputting whether or not it is an array. So let's run this file. So you can see that only one of these variables is an array. To make the output a little bit clearer, I'm going to add a message. So this one is going to be product, this one is going to be items, this one is going to be name, and this one is going to be cost. Okay, let's run the terminal command again, and we can see that the product is not an array, but the items is an array, the name, which is a string, isn't an array, and nor is the cost. So the one that was an array, which is the items, is of course an items array. If you found this JavaScript tutorial useful, then do let me know. Give it a thumbs up and also do subscribe to the How to Code Well YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. If you've got a coding question, then please do ask, but do so on our Discord server. Go to howtocodewell.net/Discord to join. Thank you ever so much for watching. Happy coding, everybody. I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye.